Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Vivo and going straight to Settings. Open Wireless and Networks or Connections so you can access tethering functions. Once there, tap Personal Hotspot or Portable Hotspot to expose the hotspot controls and visible network name. Make sure the hotspot toggle is on because the password field often appears only when the service is active. While activating, note the SSID so you can match it later. This step reveals where the password is stored in the hotspot panel. Once inside the hotspot panel, tap Configure Hotspot or the hotspot name to open its details. This area contains SSID, security type, and password. You want to find the password or WPA2/PSK field because that contains the current key used for connections. Make sure security is set to WPA2 or higher for visibility. Then tap the eye icon or Show Password option to reveal the characters. If you change it, press Save so devices use the updated key. After confirming or editing the password, tap Save so the hotspot applies the new key and restarts the service if needed. This ensures devices reconnect reliably. To connect other devices quickly, copy the password into a message or generate a QR code from a sharing option if available. If you cannot find the password field or changes don't stick, reboot the phone, verify you have the latest system update, and make sure no device management policies block hotspot settings. These steps fix most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.